San Francisco little catfish. They're in this lake right here. Yeah, we're gonna try to count them out now. What's up, guys?
Keep going.
What's up, guys?
All right, we're back. Today
Our video is sponsored by Celsius.
it is.
Summer vibe, whatever this thing is.
We're gonna be taking the old. We need to get a name for this.
Or toast.
Oh, Fleur already has that.
Toast butter.
I like it. Toast butter. The good old toast butter out. The little sunken boat we fixed up, and we're gonna do a mystery tackle box challenge. We both get a box. Get to use what's in it.
Oh, we're also sponsored
By Celsius.
by Mystery Tackle Box.
I missed. Oh yeah. But yeah, we'll get out on the water. Actually, we need to pick our boxes first. All right. And this one seems a little more packed, but this one feels a little heavier.
I already know which one's which.
Oh God. I want to take this one. Sounds like it has more plastic in it. Oh God. Oh, got a little Pro Series Z. I don't know what those are supposed to be.
Like you put them on a drop shot.
Like a little bass or something.
I was like,
Oh, a good old juicy frog. That's what you wanted, wasn't it? A little.
it's good.
Got jig.
Got the sun out.
Some little crackers. And a nice sticker.
That is a fire. I want to use that one so bad. Okay. This one, it's a spoon one. I already used some of it. Yeah, some net bait right here. No, good choice. Oh, we got chatterbait. Same man. This one was not a part of that. Some hooks for the
Wiki.
yeah, and then got some Guggen bait, crackling cross,
Oh,
small edition,
that one's pretty good.
and then a robot sticker.
Gavin puts everything on a spinning reel.
Yeah, a frog on a spinning reel, crackling crow on a spinning reel. What else? Everything. Oil. Doesn't even know how to use a bait caster. You know?
All right, we've been talking. We're thinking about taking the G out of the name.
And putting K.
Cause when's the last time you guys saw Gavin on this channel?
I think it was back in
Like Mystery Pond days.
yeah.
Which you might bring that back, but we take his name out, his initial out of it, if he doesn't see this video and say something.
That is true.
So Gavin, if you see this video, say something or you're fired.
Your pants, they're so weird. You can see it, but they won't be able to like tell.
It'll be.
Like the 10 people that see this, watch like this.
Yo, we gained like.
We gained like 10 subscribers.
We had 32, so we gained.
We gained like
13 subscribers, bro.
in like a week.
I think
In a week.
I'm quitting my job.
I'm not quitting mine yet. So, Blue Beacon, if you see this, staying strong. I think we're still on the bottom. Pro boat launches here, you know. Biceps for real.
Boss, let's skip leg day.
Leg day.
Arm day.
Hey, tricep today.
Where are we going?
Oh, left. Damn.
That way?
Yeah.
Not really getting, but.
My gosh, these fish are just jumping. It might be white bass. I can see that. Other white bass. School up.
Hitting the shad.
There actually might be shad in this lake.
It's a little light.
They said keep the receipt in case you want to return it.
The lady did?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Yeah, they're best. Well, I'm winning so far.
oh, it has to be over 10 inches.
No, I'm winning. It's a fish. See how big that is, guys? It's massive. My first fish on this boat. We're catching big uns today, boys. We release fish nicely here.
2 hours later.
Alright, so Josh lost. I caught that monster fish.
Insert the fish, you know.
Insert fish clip. It's massive. This isn't going to be a very long portion. I think we'll also do some coon hunting here in a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Because that was poor.
Yeah.
But the losers get to swim back to the dock from here.
Yeah, we're about 100 yards.
I don't know. It's a decent ways. Right there. Kind
I'm not the best
You
one.
can see it right there. And
Yeah.
Josh actually can't swim, fun fact.
Yeah.
He's never swam before, so we'll see how this goes.
Live in Iowa, don't know how to swim.
Yep.
You man, Josh. Oh, it's actually not that bad.
Mm-hmm.
Should I say how deep it is?
Yeah. Deep?
It's deep. Oh, yes.
You gonna like hitch a ride over there? Or
Huh?
You gonna hitch a ride over there?
No, I'm gonna swim. I just need to catch my breath. It is deep. Holy.
Pull me over there. That's your punishment.
That's not the punish.
Well, I can't film me and drive at the same time.
Oh, it's deep though. It's probably like, I probably went down like 15 feet maybe.
Why'd you go down head first?
What?
Why'd you go down head first?
Well, get more speed.
I feel like you don't.
Well, I was kicking like as hard as I can and still gonna touch. Alright, here we go.
You going again?
Huh?
Going again?
No, I'm gonna start swimming to the...
Oh, well, yeah, pull me. We'll see how good I can film this and drive at the same time. Tired?
Huh?
Tired?
Yeah. I haven't swum in so long.
Alright, I beat Josh back to the dock. And still swimming. Look at that boy. You better hurry up, Josh, before I get too far away. Show us a little gun review.
Dude, so we got a Marlin 16 with a small light on it.
It's just a small one.
Yeah.
How'd you touch that? Are those
These
FDA
are-
approved?
No, yeah, these are, yeah, FDA approved with tactical zip ties. Can only get these at Bass Pro.
Yep.
Legally.
Plug.
Yeah.
Sponsored.
Well, let me show you like.
And here's my model 64, I believe. Winchester 22. It's a pretty nice gun. Well, Grandpa passed it down. It's a cool gun. Little GoPro attachment. We're gonna take you hunting. All right, it's the next day. I thought I'd come out here and try and save this video and catch a few fish, so it's not something. So there's something That'll be short. Good old rant of me catching fish, hopefully. Yeah. Pounder. Nothing special. Bigger than yesterday's. Count it. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Massive, massive, massive. Look at that, look at that. Oh, it's huge. Oh yeah, baby. See, it's like tiny, tiny. Just throw them back. Back in the water now. It's literally right on the shore here. And the thing was like this long. I mean, which is big, big. Don't get me wrong. Like, well, it's like I don't even know, like 6 inches right there. And honestly, that's huge. Like, I think any guy would agree with me. But like, just like, I don't know. I expect more, I guess. So my girlfriend says at least. God. Oh, sorry, boys. I caught this like 10-pound fish, but my phone fell, it like turned off somehow, and you didn't get to see it. It was huge. I fought it for like 5 minutes, trying to get it in. I picked it up out of the water. Juicy big old fish, like, you know, it's huge. I can't even, like probably like state record almost. It was massive, but I'm sorry you guys couldn't see that, you know, but appreciate you guys watching. Sorry about the lack of a video before this, but I mean, it's just how it goes sometimes. Can't really beat it. But thanks for watching. You know, we're just out here hooking hogs and catching logs, baby, and we're gonna keep doing it for you guys. You know, best fishermen out here. Can't get much better than us. So appreciate you guys watching. Come back for another video. We should have quite a few coming out here. We're kind of going on a little grind, but we'll see how far that goes. But thanks for watching. Catch you next time.